A very warm good morning to all my dear students. Hopefully, you all are well and healthy at your home. In this lockdown period, we got this opportunity to study through these online live classes. So, today I will teach you the first chapter of History, Class 9, India and the Contemporary World 1. But before that, I request you, all students, open your book, pen, pencil, copy, eraser in front of you. We will study the first chapter of history, that is the French Revolution. So, in this chapter, the first thing which comes in our mind, what is the meaning of revolution? What is the meaning of revolution? A recognized momentous change in any situation. A revolution may result in sudden overthrow of an established government or system by force or bloodshed. As for example, in this chapter, I am discussing the chapter name, the French Revolution. Got it? Name one ruler of the France. Yes, Louis XVI. Louis XVI. In which year? 1774. The fall of the Bastille took place on 14 July 1789. This is the beginning of our chapter, first line. The French Revolution began with the fall of Bastille on 14 July 1789. The attack by the Third Estate on the Bastille State prison, 14 July 1789. Setting free the prisoner sparked the revolution. Can anybody explain what was the immediate cause of rioting in Paris? Yes, Ranjana. The high price of bread was the immediate cause of rioting in Paris. I am before explain what is the meaning of revolution in a single sentence. The term revolution means a recognizable momentous change in any situation. Okay, stand up, student. Ranjan, what is the meaning of Bastille? Yes, Bastille was the fortress prison in where? Paris. It was hated by all. It symbolized the despotic power of the king. One question in this topic related. Why was the Bastille hated by all? Answer is the same. The Bastille was hated by all because it stood for the despotic power of the king. And describe the significance of storming of the Bastille. The storming of the Bastille. First of all, about storming. Storming means a hurricane. The storming of the Bastille was significant because it set in motion a chain of chain of events. These events ultimately led to the execution of the King of France. Where king? Related which country? France. And end of despotic authoritarian authoritarian rule and establishment of liberty and democratic rights. In this topic, one important issue In which manner the insurrection insurrection by Persians Persians revolutionized revolutionized France. Point to be noted down. This is the vital topic. The insurrection by Persians revolutionized France. Number one, the days that followed saw more rioting both in Paris and the countryside. I repeat again, the days that followed FOLLOWED saw more rioting both in Paris and the countryside. Number two, the people began protesting against high price of bread. Number three, it led to a chain of events that ultimately led to the execution of the king in France, the end of monarchy and establishment of a republic. Can anybody explain? Describe the events of the 14 July 1789 in a sequence or chronological manner. Yes, Rahul, say. Stand up. Yes. Number one, listen carefully, all students. I can ask any question. Listen, related topic. On 14 July, number one, on 14 July 1789, the Bastille Fortress prison fell in the city of Paris, and the city was in a state of alarm. Number two, rumors were rife in the city of Paris that king had ordered troops to move into the city, fire upon citizens. Some 7,000 men and women who had formed a people militia MILITIA broke into the government buildings in search of arms. Want to be highlighted and important noted. Number four, of these a few hundred stormed the fortress prison, the Bastille BASTILLE, in search of hoarded ammunition HOARDED ammunition AMMUNITION. In the armed fight, the commander of the Bastille was killed and the prisoners released RELEASED. The fortress was hated by all. It stood for the despotic power of the king. Number 6. The fortress was demolished and its stone fragments sold in the market as souvenir SOUVENIR, means memorable of its destruction of the history of France. Any doubt in this topic you can ask. I give only for 2 minutes. You are followed me? Yes. Thank you, student. Bye.